If you are considering moving from Salesforce Commerce Cloud to BigCommerce, you're watching the right video. If you are feeling like you're locked into expensive development cycles, or you feel like you're struggling with inflexible infrastructure, you are not alone. Many enterprise brands actually face these challenges. BigCommerce offers a faster, lighter, and more robust platform when it comes to cloud-based e-commerce platform, without needing to sacrifice the enterprise-level functionalities and features that you might need. At Optimum 7, we specialize in helping businesses just like yours transition from an enterprise platform like Salesforce Commerce Cloud to BigCommerce Enterprise. We make sure that all of your ERP integrations, your ordering logic, your back-end operation, all of the functionality that you have, your product options, customers, orders, admin history is migrated seamlessly to BigCommerce. You might have custom workflows, you might have product configurators, you might have advanced admin panels that manage the different back-end ordering processes. We can migrate it all. Here is what makes our custom-built migration processes different than our competitors. We make no compromises on enterprise functionality. We understand functionality at a deeper level. As a matter of fact, we've built over 600 custom functionalities for all of these platforms like BigCommerce, Shopify, Magento, and the one that you are on, which is Salesforce Commerce Cloud. So we understand the enterprise e-commerce infrastructure at a deeper level. We make sure to preserve all of your integrations, your custom functionalities, your custom configurators, or any workflows that you might have that are custom to your business operations. And we make sure that you have a smooth experience with a smooth transition where you don't lose any data, any rankings, you don't get 404 errors, and you don't experience downtime. We've helped hundreds of businesses migrate to BigCommerce in the past 7 years. And we also understand the BigCommerce platform and infrastructure at a detailed level. Here is how it works. We analyze your current Salesforce Commerce Cloud infrastructure, and we basically look at your technology stack and all of the flows and operational challenges that you might have, front-end, back-end, admin, as well as your marketing integrations. Because in 2025, you can't really differentiate all of these. You can't differentiate technology from marketing or marketing from finance. It's all integrated. Then we migrate all the workflows, all the products, all the customers, orders. We make sure that we understand also your business logic at a deeper level so that we can make suggestions on scalability features. And we handle everything with precision. We do API-powered migrations. We don't use any software to do these migrations. It's impossible to do that. Different platforms have different character limits, different characters, different fields. This has to be done at an API level. As a matter of fact, our API integrations are powered by AI, where we revalidate every single field that you have and every single character. We're essentially talking about millions and millions of records here. Here is how you can migrate from Salesforce Commerce Cloud to BigCommerce. Go to Optimum7.com and select e-commerce migration from the drop-down menu. Then choose the platform you are currently on and the platform you want to migrate to. In this case, it is Salesforce Commerce Cloud to BigCommerce. Next, go to the Salesforce Commerce Cloud to BigCommerce migration section. Click Request a Quote, fill out your name, email address, and website URL, then click the Let's Do This button. It is that easy. Let's walk through how we migrate complex Salesforce Commerce Cloud builds to a platform like BigCommerce Enterprise. At Optimum 7, we have handled thousands of platform migrations in the past 15 years, without losing rankings, without losing revenue, and without losing customers. Here is how we do it. We pre-map your SEO infrastructure and keyword universe. We have to simply make sure we know where you make money. If we don't know where you make money, which are the most important product pages, category pages, content pages, blog pages, conversion pages, contact us pages, quote pages, we can't do this migration. So if your agency is not asking you these questions, run. We work with a test sandbox server, and everything that we work on that test server, and we send it to you for reviews and approvals, and everything is ready to go. We basically switch your name servers or your DNS settings, and the new website is up. Again, without losing customers, without losing orders. And then this part is very important. We do post-migration audits. Our QA engineers review everything and we make sure that everything is operating in the right manner. You're not getting any 404s. You don't have a decrease in conversions. All of your pages are indexed. All of your rankings remain. The performance, the speed, the compliance issues are all there. This has to be done. A lot of agencies do not do this. They just launch the site and they disappear. Our job is done. That won't work. This is why you can't do this with a freelancer. Contact us or comment below, and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.